Diving into the relationship among law, ethics, and technology, we need to understand what the first two are. So, ethics are the principles that guide a person or a society on what's good and what's bad, or what's right or what's wrong in a given situation based on the governing moral code. On the other hand, law can be understood as a systematic set of rules and regulation created by an appropriate authority, such as, for instance, a government, and illegal behavior is doing what is in accordance with this law. So already at this stage, we can see that what's legal is not necessarily ethical and vice versa. So in this sense, we can have a behavior that is unethical, but legal because it's not forbidden by law at this stage. There might be also times when obeying the law would require us to act against our own ethics, resulting in an unethical behavior. So an unethical behavior may not necessarily be supported by law. Also, specifically when it comes to law, law is not perfect because of its nature and requires interpretation and intervention in order to accommodate complex situations and nuances. So specifically, when it comes to digital law, we see, for instance, that according to the European Commission ethic guidelines, for on trustworthy AI, we ask for the law to be lawful. We ask for the AI to be lawful as well as ethical, and therefore, coming back to our questions in the webinar, all this begs the question: what is the relationship between ethics and digital law, and how can advanced technologies apply law in an ethical way?